Hello, my friends. So, as you can tell, I am not here today. I am actually on jury duty today. So, what does that mean for you? Well, it means that you get a reprieve. So, whereas this was due this Friday, the entire project, it is now due next Friday the 13th. So, what should you be doing during class? Well, remember we're talking about the hierarchy of things, correct? First things first, make sure your research is done and turned in. That's the most important thing. Once you've done that, you need to need to copy and paste those 6 paintings by your artist and find the pictures, right, to give to Mrs. Brody. So, open up your Facts About My Artist sheet, go into the Vermeer example, and then you're going to highlight, or you're going to go into your research, highlight those 6 pieces of artwork, and then hold down the Control key and press the C button one time to copy. Go into Drive. If you don't know how to get to Drive, you click on the 9 square and then that little triangle thing for Drive. And then you're going to click Create Document. It's going to give you an untitled document. Hold down the Control key and press the V as in Victor button to paste. Hello. See. Okay. Highlight each title of the artwork, click on Tools, and then Research, and it should pull up a painting. Hover over it, right click, copy image, make sure that you click and do not have this all highlighted or else you're going to get rid of it. You don't want that. And then hold down the Control button and press the V as in Victor button to paste. Again, you can shrink that up and then go to the next one, right? If you're not able to find it, you can click on the web results to open up a new box and see if you can click on images and find what you're looking for, okay? So once you're done with that, that needs to be printed out. So that's the second important thing. Then, third most important thing, forget about the brain pops for right now. You are really on the 11th hour here. Make sure if you have not done these, that you get these done at some point. Okay? I'm not going to spend the time during class to watch brain pop movies. So you need to click on the main title of the assignment to open up your Glogster planning page. And then you are going to be filling in all this information, right? The recorded intro goes for questions 1 to 4. So, if I go in here, artist name, when the artist was born, where the artist was born, and when or if that artist died. Style of art goes with number 5. What type of artist? Again, please give me an explanation of, if your artist was an impressionist, give me a brief description of what impressionism was. Or if they were a surrealist, or if they were an expressionist, or if they were a realist, tell me what that means. Give me a little brief explanation of that. World of my artist goes with question 6. Why my artist painted this way. Okay. Important people goes with question 7, which is important people. And important events is question 8, and that's of course important events. Now, once you have summarized these, you turn this page into me. I have checked the ones that have already been turned in. If it says you're good to go and you can move on, then do so. If I asked you to fix some information, I would like you to do that also. But rather than waiting for me to move on to the next part, this is when you click on the Glogster link there and you log in. Okay? Log in. And then you scroll down. You do not create a new Glog. You click on Projects. Okay? You are using my template. So you click on Projects, you click on this, and then you are going to have something that says Create New Glog. And that's what I'm going to need you guys to be doing. That's how you're going to be creating your blog. You can get rid of all of my stuff here by editing it. You can change the background, add your pictures from your artist. Okay? You can even start playing around and record your voice. Probably best to use one of the microphones. But again, to do this, when you edit it, this is where you can get new text boxes if you want something different than what I have. Okay, to change this kind of box. Images, you can upload your own if you want to file and save them to your hard drive, or you can search in Google. Okay, and then click on it to use it. You can add a frame. Again, you can choose any kind of frame you want for that also. The wall is your background picture, so whatever you want to choose as your background, you can choose an image that you've saved, choose something from their gallery, just choose a basic color, or again, you can search in Google. Okay. Audio, this is where you're going to be recording, so click on that little camera. Okay. Grab audio, and then you're going to record. When you record, there's going to be a little thing that pops up. There's a little box that's going to ask you to allow recording, and then sometimes there's something that even pops up here that says allow or deny. Make sure that you've clicked allow for both of those things, or else you are not going to be able to record. Okay? And click on that plus sign. If you want to search for a YouTube video, you can do that also. And just search for it here. Do your best. And any questions, email me. I will try and get back to you as I can. And if you are done, if you would be so kind as to help other people, especially since I'm not going to be there, it would be very helpful to have people going around who do know what it is that they should be doing. So, I shall be speaking to you soon, and have a good day.